Good morning, my YouTube friends. Monica here with MyWyoStyle. Remember, God loves you. I don't know about you, but when I need a spice, I have to pull everything out of the cabinet, and this is what my counter looks like when I want to find one particular spice. I have multiple sizes, and it makes it very difficult to find one particular spice that I'm looking for. I end up having tubs of spices, so the husband and I are going to do a project today. He was kind enough to take this tin pan that I had and secure it to the wall for me so I could put all these spice jars that I found. I had extra canning jars, and most of my spices fit in them because they're about 4 ounces. This is a sign that I had for outside that I never got around to using. So I have decided to use this since those magnets were securely snug on it. And he is going to attach it and make it secure. He's going to put a screw right here in the corner of the cabinet and also through the wall where the stud is, so it's nicely secure. So I have decided to put all of my savory spices here. And then I decided to put all of my baking spices here. I also have a couple of extra empty spice bottles to use too. And if anybody knows me, this fits perfect with my eclectic decor. I'm so happy the way this turns out and the fact that I'll be able to walk right up to any spice that I need without any issues. So this is the result of my spice cabinet. I had some regular spice jars that I absolutely like having, so I found this stick-on strip that just holds these spices on here. And I'll show you the real estate that I gained in the cabinet. I was able to put most of my baking items in here, some bigger containers that I get from Sam's Club. I have my pepper and my salt, my canning salt, my sprouting seeds, all of my wines and vinegars. I have this new container that I absolutely love. I was able to put all of my meat rubs in here. I have all of my coloring for my frostings. I got all of my baking chips in here, plus some dates and some cashews back there. I found this little tray that holds all of my flavorings. And then on the highest shelf, I have some extra pepper and some cornstarch and a basket of things that I rarely use, some baking items, and my other spice set that I love. I was able to put them on one of those clip-on racks. Well, thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned some organizing ideas, so that way you too don't have to pull out everything out of the cabinet to find one particular spice. May God bless your day. Bye guys.